Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to update your course tiles so it doesn't look as technical and it's easier to find the courses that you need. So for this particular course, it starts with a number. I wanted to have it started with the name, and I also want to put a picture on top of the course tile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Editor, and then I'm going to go up here to Tools and click Course Settings. And up here you can actually change the name, and I'm going to put the name first, take it off there, and then I want to add my thumbnail and click on the plus sign there and hit choose file, and add my picture. And once I'm all done with that, I just come up here and hit save, and when I come back to my home page, it's going to look like that. So that's going to change the order of your course tiles to make it alphabetical by whatever name you put for the first name, whether it's first name or last name. And obviously you're going to see the picture right there, and your student's going to see that as well. So it makes it a little more pleasing to the eye, a little more fun, and a little more easier to navigate.